Yo, son, what are you doing?
Nothing, Dad. I'm just listening to my favorite song, Lava Chicken.
Yo, you want to see a cool magic trick?
Yeah, Dad, I love
Alright.
magic tricks.
So, get over here.
Yeah?
Okay, so say abracadabra skadoosh. And then there's going to be multiple lava chickens somewhere, okay? Do it.
Abracadabra skadoosh.
Guess where it is?
Where?
Over there!
Yo, lava
Say
chicken!
stop! Lava chicken.
Chicken.
Lava chicken, yes.
Oh, this is so good.
Ooh, mamacita, now you're rain the bread. Oh, that hurts my tummy.
That's the best part. The chicken.
Lava chicken! There you go, son.
Chicken jockey.
Chicken jockey. Now let's have a party.
I love the Minecraft movie.
Lava chicken.
Oh, Dad, come over here. We're gonna have a party.
Lava chicken. Huh?